like that. We don't need to move like athletes. We're a tennis player. We need to work smart. How are we gonna recover quick? Just here, split, go to the board, head it, recover back, cross over, and ready. Split to the another one, hit, recover back, split. Okay. Just 3 steps. Okay. Not like that. It's running. No.
Okay.
Break. Have rest in the middle.
Okay.
Split. Think. Watch the ball. Then go for it.
Okay.
Ready. Split. Yes. Balance. Love it. Crossover. Split. Good. Crossover. Split. Good. Love it. Yes. Split. Crossover. Freeze. Yeah. Take forehand. Stop. Crossover. Yes.
Okay.
That's a recovery step.
Okay.
Most important step in a tennis.
Yeah.
If you don't do a recovery step, ready? Let's go. Go for it. Ready? Yes. And no, not before it. That's the thing. I dropped the ball by purpose.
Yeah.
Did you see? When you are hitting a ball to the forehand and you take a crossover, after that what you gonna do? You're gonna watch your opponent if it's getting a ball head. You have to split, watch the ball again, and then go for it again.
Okay.
Yes. Ready. Split. Hit. Good. Ready. Split. Yes. Love it, Masa. This one. Yes. Like that. Good. Yes. You got it?
Yeah.
This is called more smart footwork. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yes. Ready. Good. Split. Nice one. Just get the target, Masa. More shape. Love it. Good one. More shape. Good. Ready. More shape. Perfect. More shape. Good job. Perfect. Masa,
Yeah.
in a forehand, you have a very good forehand. Very good. Love it. But sometimes, did you feel that? Sometimes you are too closer to the ball.
Yeah.
Sometimes you're too far from the ball. So you have to get it in the middle. For that, just one thing. Here, we're gonna start with it. Ready? Flip, turn. Masa, can you tell me where's my backswing now? At the back, it's ready. From here, flip, turn, and my backswing is ready to go. So all you have to do is set up and hit. But if it's like this, I'm going to the ball. This, where's my backswing? Forward. So I have to take backswing. I have to make setup. Both the thing together. That's difficult, right? If it's like this, split, turn. Where's my backswing? Ready to go.
Okay.
Yes. Like this. Split, turn. Ready? Now all I have to do is legs. Just adjust with the ball. Head. Just one walk, one at a time. If you're gonna focus on the two things, all right. Can we hit forehand and backhand together? Okay. No, right? We can't hit two balls at a time. So how are we gonna do the two things at a time? Just one thing at a time. Turn. I got a backswing here. Adjust with the ball. Hit. Adjust your backswing.
Okay.
Easy. You need to make the thing simpler, more simple, not too tough. Ready? You're gonna hit forehand and you're gonna recover back. The white one. Okay. Did you see the recovery step now?
Oh.
Perfect. Just here. Ready? Down. Split. Cross court. Good. Ready? Cross court, Masa. Good. Ready? Turn. Freeze. Slow.
Okay.
Just one thing. Turn. Back. Ready? Split. Turn. Go again.
Okay.
Turn. Yes. Ready? Love it. Ready? Turn. Good. Good one. Ready? Turn. Love it, Masa. Good moves. Ready? Turn. Nice. Ready? Turn. Balance. Set up.
Okay.
Good job. It's easy or tough?
Yeah.
More easier, right?
Yeah.
Life makes more easy.
Yeah.
Good. Now it's gonna be a bit tough.
Okay.
early setup, Masa, and you have to hit all the balls. Cross court,
Okay.
cross court, everything cross court. Ready? Cross court, good. Ready? Turn, yes. Love it. Ready? Turn, good. Ready? Turn. Nice. Keep the balance, Masa. Keep the balance. Love it. Good one. Good job. Love it. Love the setup, man.
Yeah.
Like this. Ready? Ready to hit.
Yeah.
Just one more that we need to focus on.
Okay.
Here, don't need to hold our racket too tight. Leave it. Break.
Okay.
Not too tight.
Yeah.
If you're holding your racket too tight,
Yeah.
your muscles go pump.
Yeah.
You can see my arm.
Yeah.
And you can see how the difference. You're too strong.
Yeah.
But let's see. Who's gonna hit hard? You got a ball, I got a ball. Ready? Hit hard. Hard. Too hard. That's all, huh?
Okay.
Just two balls. Too tight. Right. Ready. 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 Perfect. Did you see
Yeah.
tight?
Yeah.
Did you see this? See this. Who got a more power?
Yeah.
Who got more power? You or me?
Yeah.
I got more. Maybe. Probably. I hit it too hard.
Yeah.
Too loose. Too loose. I'm not getting tight. Too loose to the ball and it's getting more room to the ball to get it here and then just all the way up.
Okay.
Not too tight. If you're gonna grab your racket too tight, your hand is tight. You're stopping yourself to go up. If your hand is like this, more smooth, easier. And second thing you just need
Yeah.
to focus on, from here,
Yeah.
you need to go all the way up here.
Okay.
Give the ball more length. If you're gonna do this, ball will go just here. If you're gonna do this, ball will go here.
Okay. Nice one.
Up,
Okay.
up. If you hit to the fence,
Yeah.
I don't mind.
Okay.
Hit to the fence, over the fence, but not in the net and not here. Not here.
Okay.
Did you see the line? Over that line, over the line.
Okay.
Up here, more spin. All the way up. Ready? Turn. Good one. Love it, man. Up. Great job. Ready? Up. Love it. Ready? Up. Good. Make more balance from the ball. Love it. Ready? Up. Good. Crossover. Ready? Up. Up. Not too tight, Masa. Not too tight. Loose.
Okay.
Loose. Loose. I'll tell you one secret of tennis.
Okay.
When you are waiting for the ball, your racket needs to be loose. When you're gonna hit, that time you just this. Ready? Loose, 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 tight. Loose, 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 tight.
Okay.
From here, it's up. When you're gonna go this, just you can just grab the grip, otherwise loose, loose. Like this, loose, tight, loose, tight. Not
Okay.
always too tight. Loose, more loose.
Okay.
Yes. Free. Go more freely. Ready? Get the ball. Go for it. Good. Ready? Love it. Masa, make more balance to the ball. Make more room. Love it, man. Good forehand. Up. Perfect.
Okay.
Did you get a length now?
Yeah.
Yes. You got a length. Good one. Ready?
Okay.
Yes. Love it. Good. Ready? Nice one, man. Watch the ball. Quick. Perfect. Last two.
Okay.
Last one. One more. Speed it all the way up. Love it, man. Good forehand.
Yeah.
Looking great.
Yeah.
If you feel the extension of your arm, you feel like you are trying to do it's more time, more easy. But pump, pump, yes, because that's too tight.
Okay.
If that will slow, easy, loose, you can see like how free I am. I'm not even trying to hit hard and still got a power. Just one more thing, Masa, quick. You don't need to hit the ball. You don't need to hit one. Hit this one. Where you gonna hit it? Just catch the ball where you gonna hit it with the left hand. Ready? Yes, like this. Ready? Ready? Catch this. Ready? Catch this. Yes, ready? Yes. Yes, exactly. If the ball is low, you don't need to wait to get the ball going down. You have to hit the ball at the apex. You know the apex of the ball is this. At here, the ball is not going up, neither going down. So you have this here, the ball have 0% power. So you have to put it on. That's not going down, that's not going up. Even the back, you're going moving back, you have to wait and here. Got it? After that, the ball is going down, down, down. So you have to lift it up. It happens sometimes.
Okay.
Here. Did you watch that?
Okay.
You have to do this. Not here. When you are moving forward, then it's alright. But not here. You have to step forward, hit, come back.
Okay.
You're gonna get the ball at the apex. Ready? Now it. Watch the ball. It's alright. Ready? Good. Ready? Hey. Super. Love it, man.
Yeah.
The same thing, Masa. Focus on the same thing.
Yeah.
Just go cross court, all the way cross court.
Yeah.
Ready? Go to high. Love it. Make more balance now. Good. Keep the balance, Masa. Love it. Good one. Watch the ball. Set up. Good. Ready? Set up. Make more set up. Good one. Go to the ball. Love it, man. Get it at the apex. That's alright.
Yeah.
But on the last ball, did you feel that it's too close for to you?
Yeah.
That's alright. It's fine.
Okay.
But just this, focus on the turnings. You forgot about the turnings now.
Yeah, okay.
Did you remember the turnings?
Yeah.
Yes. Go for it. Ready? Turn. Ready? Turn. Good one, Masa. Good forehand. From here, you don't need to stop. All the way up.
Okay.
Up here. Always at the shoulder. When you are stepping in, brush the ball more.
Okay.
Good. Ready? Now it. Ready? Nice. Ready? Good. Ready? Love it. Ready? Good. Now, it's a good turning, good point of contact. Just focus on the balance. Good. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Good one. Love it. Good one, Masa. Ready? Go to high. Good. Ready? Go to high. Good. Ready? Last 10 forehand. Just 10 forehand for today. Get them up. Yes. Get them up. Go to high. Love it, man. Watch the close court. Hit it. Good. Get the ball at the apex. Get it. Oh, it's going down. Get it up. Perfect. Last three. Good. Ready. Split. Turn. Master, you forgot about turning. Ready. Turn and hit. Oh, good. Amazing forehand.